Hey guys, it's me, Izzy, and today we're doing another video. This probably is going to be the last video of the day. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make cloud slime with kinetic sand, okay? Okay, so I'm not going to show you, because I already made some. So I'll show you some ways I have, glue. Okay, good. So, or if you have play sand, you can use that too. So it is actually really good. Okay, so first get white glue, and this glue works the best. And then I use Staflo with a little bit of contact solution sometimes. Okay, and you make it like that. You can add coloring, but if your sand has coloring, you don't really have to, because it will color it for you. Okay, so next, scoop up a little bit of your sand and put it into your bowl with your white glue. Then you just need to knead it, and then you keep adding it until you like the best consistency of cloud slime. So this slime is actually really good, but I use a ton of kinetic sand on this because I love the real consistency, I can't even say it, sorry, of the cloud slime. So I used a lot. So mainly you'll probably have to use a lot of kinetic sand, but that's okay. Just as long if your pan is fine with it. So that's how you make slime with kinetic sand. And so that's all I have for today. And mine is a purple pink. So bye.